Today I'm gonna show you how to make this stylized portrait I made right here. I originally had a profile picture of me showing my abs and stuff, like, ooh, that's fucking sexy, man. But then I realized, yo, I am bulking. I'm freaking bulking. So I don't have a six-pack anymore. So I could just have my face on the YouTube profile picture, but I decided, because I can do art. I've seen other YouTubers do this, where they have like their profile pictures, like they have their self, and they have like a stylized version of themselves on the profile picture. Then I thought to myself, like, I can do that too. So that is what I did. So now I'm gonna show you the first step I took into making this portrait. Ichiban. So the first thing I did, I was trying to find some pictures of me, some sexy ass pictures of me on my phone. So then I was scrolling through my feed of photos of me, and you know, I don't take so much pictures of me, but I found these photos. And because I want to have this on my profile picture on YouTube, I want to have face forward pictures of me. I take those 3 to 5 pictures and put that shit into Procreate. After I put that shit into Procreate, I lower the opacity of the photos and I trace this bitch. Oh no! Yo! You cannot do this! I do this because I don't care. So I traced every photo of me, and then I picked out which was like looking the best. Plus, when I actually traced over them, I didn't just copy the eyes, because I wanted to have them look more stylized. So I like traced over the photos and added in a little, you know, little anime style into the photos. And after I did that, I picked out which one was the best. And this one right here is the winner. After I had picked my final sketch, I will now go into the process of painting this bad boy. I'm gonna paint this bad boy right here. So what I did is, first I did a sketch of it. Then I went into line art. I did coloring for this bad boy, which is me. After picking the base colors, I picked where the sun is coming from, so I can shade my portrait. So after shading my boy right here, I had a background. So for me, I just chose a simple background because I wanted to put it into YouTube. But if you want to do your stylized picture, you can put whatever the freaking you want into this picture. You can have Squidward, you can have SpongeBob or whatever. So what I did, I just picked one color and then I switched it up a little bit. What the fuck? And then I tried to see like which color suits with my portrait's colors. Because you have to have like the balance, you know. Then I picked out which one was the best. Or I picked out 3 which was the best. And after I picked out those 3, you could be done here. You can actually be done here. But for me, I tried each and every of these 3 into my YouTube channel, and I thought the pink one was gonna be better, since blue and pink is like they go well, they go hand in hand with each other. But when I looked at the profile picture on the YouTube, I didn't like that, so I tried green, but I didn't like that either. And then I tried the last one, which is like a very soft core. Oh shit, don't do that. Soft purple. So when I tried the soft purple on the YouTube, and I thought to myself, yo, I'm done. I decided on that picture, and now I'm finally done. If you follow each step like really closely, you will come to this result, which is nice.
I hope.
And you can put this on your profile picture on Instagram, on YouTube, on OnlyFans. No, not that shit. Or just post something cool on Instagram. You do whatever you want. So this has been the end of the video, and today we're gonna say goodbye. I wanna say arigatou gozaimasu, and I'll see you in the next video.